Merry Christmas, boys and girls. Today we're making potato salad. Let's go. First, let's clean these beautiful potatoes. So, potato 1, toast, press. And leave it till it's cooked, nice and soft. The water is boiling. Put in your carrot. Oh, it doesn't fit. That's what she said. Now it fixed perfectly, finally. And your eggs. When potato and carrots are soft, take the water and pour everything out. Fine. Almost, okay. Calm down. And then just some cold water to make sure it's cooled down first. Okay, time to clean. Call your nine, bitches. Let's go. Oh well, that animal is fucking dying. Yeah, this one is dead. Why? Fuck these potatoes, they're fucking dying. Oh god damn it, how the fuck? Egg. Let's try this shit. Pickles. Ham. Let's cook this bitch. First, green peas. And let's put all of it. Mayonnaise. More. And more. A little bit more. Salt. Very important thing. Pepper. Oh, again, very important. Now, let's mix it. I'm thinking I need more mayonnaise though. Yeah. Food escaping. Abort the mission. Need bigger pot. Now. We need more mayonnaise. More. And more. We. No, stop escaping food. See you. Yeah. Time to break this. Oh, look, enjoy the video. If you do, like, subscribe, comment, all that shit. You know the drill for fuck's sake. So, yeah. See you next time, boys.